Hi there, folks. Happy Friday to you. This is Cameron here, coming from Lean Strategies International LLC. The other day I was speaking with a close friend of mine at a school or at an institute, and they had mentioned in the course of talking that they had just a ginormous amount of reading that they had to do every day. As you know, some people can interpret information from reading better than other people. Other people can't take it in so well because it's hard for them. They have to hear things or they have to actually go and do things. And as we were talking, this individual expressed this interest that they wished that they could actually have something read back to them. So here's a fun way, a cool solution that I offered to someone to help them out. And you can actually do this in Word. If you have something that you've typed out, let's just say, hi everyone, comma, from Lean Strategies International. And let's say that you're better at listening than you are at reading and you just can't interpret stuff. Now, this is just an example here, obviously, but there's actually a tab that I use quite a bit here. And you'll see this right over here. It's called Speak. And so in Word, you can actually have things speak back to you if you have a lot of stuff to read. It's a handy tool to put things in here and just have it read for you. So how do you get this option? A lot of you might not have it. Well, you got to go over to your File section and scroll down here, and you'll see that right here you have a section called Options. Click on that. That'll bring up a lot of different options right here. Okay, we're not going to work too much with all this stuff, but you want to go to your ribbon. You can either do it in your ribbon or your quick access toolbar. And what we're going to do is switch this from popular commands to all commands. And you see this will get quite a bit bigger. We're going to scroll down to our S's and look for speak. And we're just about there. So we've got it right here. And you see there's this option called Speak. So what you want to do, we're on our quick access. We're going to add that in there. You'll see that'll go over there for all documents. That's our default. We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And now you're going to see this little icon show up right up here in your quick access toolbar. So to get that to pop up so that you can actually use it, you just simply highlight the text that you want to use. You'll see that now it's accessible right there, and we click on Speech.
From Lean Strategies International LLC.
And you can see it would be really helpful if you've got just lots of reading to do. You can just highlight the text and have it read to you while you follow along. Great way to use a lot more of your sensory capabilities and interpret information much better. Hope this solution helps you out. If you're reading a lot, go ahead and put your Speak on there and use it daily, and it will help you to interpret information much better. Have a great day, everyone. A simple solution for all of you. Take care.